shoots a cannonball.
Where is it?
There's a gas tank back there that shoots a cannonball.
Really?
There's gas in it. It shoots a cannonball.
Let's see you drive. You want to get in and give it a whirl? Let me see you. Get your shades on and stuff.
Do you want me to start it?
Huh?
Start it?
I want you to get in the front seat, get your shades on like you're ready to go.
And then I'll start it. If I get in, okay, I'll start it.
Okay.
For real.
For real? It's kind of tricky to start.
I can try. I'm gonna try.
Tell me about it.
Okay, I got the.
You can make the sound too. Rum.
Ready?
Yep.
Get in.
Oh, I can't get in. I'm filming you.
I'm gonna start.
How old are you?
Well, I'm not as old as you, so.
You're not as old as me?
No.
How old are you?
Well, I'm 5.
You're 5 years old?
16.
Are you old enough to drive? You're 6? Is 6 old enough to drive? It is? So if you're gonna drive and you're 6,
Well, you gotta help me.
I gotta help you?
Yeah. Okay. Then I got them on. You got.
I can get in. I was just filming you, so if you have anything else you want to say, let's get it on there now. And then, you're 3 weeks from kindergarten, right? You start kindergarten in 3 weeks, and you're 5 years old, and you're driving a Karmann Ghia. Let's go deliver this stuff to Fiona's, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
Get in.